doing today on today's episode is this morning we got most of the floor out. Tore a lot of the old crappy electrical wiring out. We removed all that. Today we're actually removing the ceiling because it's got this old felt crap and it's hard to clean. It's just dirty. So what we're doing is right now we're removing all the covers and the snaps, and then we're gonna get this wood that's here. We're gonna send it out and we're gonna get it rewrapped with like a clean white vinyl that's like on the sides of the boat right here. You can spray it, clean it. This stuff here, once it's dirty, it ain't coming out unless you got some really tough stain remover. But nope, today we're just gonna remove all this material here. And then the boat itself, everything's almost pulled out of it. All the seats are gone, the upholstery's gone, the floors are gone. Now it's just shipping everything out, getting everything redone, putting it back together, and then we'll start running all the new wiring and putting all the new electronics in, new gauges. And it's going to be a progress. Just like that, we have the roof off, the ceiling actually. So now, what we're gonna do, we'll get those redone, rewrapped with vinyl so that's easier to clean. Now we're gonna still gotta take this piece off. I'll probably take this front piece off up here. Here, let me pull this up. We're gonna get this thing pulled off and have it rebuilt so that we can mount our radios and all of our new electronics into it. That way everybody on the boat can easily see. It's not, we're gonna have a chart right here, but we're gonna have our main screen chart built right into the side of this. So that way I can be on the boat, I can look up and know exactly where we're at on our plot chart. So this will be a whole nother project. We're gonna have a friend do it. He's pretty good with woodworking, so he's gonna rebuild this thing so it's a little bit more structurally sound. And then get rid of these actual openings here and actually custom fit it to like our radios. For example, our new radios that we're installing by Ray Marine are going to get so that they're fitted flush, just like such. It'll look more clean, more professional. You won't have wires dangling all around. So we'll have that mounted right in there flush, like such. And then our big screen, give me a minute. We will have our big screen so that it's mounted just like such. That way when we're in the back of the boat, we can come up here and adjust our coordinates, go onto a different plot mark if need be. So stay tuned, keep watching, as the next few months we are going to transform this 1989 Crestliner Sabre into one heck of a fishing machine.